Hi.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great, thank you. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, I did. But I wasn't sure where the almond milk was at first.
Oh, it's usually in the refrigerated section, near the yogurt.
Thanks. I'll remember that next time.
No problem. Is this your first time shopping here?
Yes, actually. I just moved to this neighborhood last week.
Oh, welcome to the area.
Thanks. Do you live nearby too?
Yes, just a few blocks away. I've been working here for about a year now.
That's cool. Do you like working here?
Yeah, it's nice. I meet a lot of people every day.
That's true. You must talk to so many strangers.
Yes, and some of them become regular customers and even friends.
Do you work every day?
I usually work 5 days a week. Weekends are the busiest.
I can imagine. It's always crowded on weekends.
Yes, but I don't mind. Time goes by fast.
That's good. So, do you study as well or only work?
I'm also a college student. I study business.
Oh, nice. Which college?
I go to City Central College. Have you heard of it?
Yes, I have. One of my friends goes there.
That's great. What do you do? Are you working or studying?
I work online. I teach English to kids.
Wow, that's interesting. From home?
Yes, I teach from home. It's flexible and fun.
That sounds like a dream job.
Sometimes. But kids can be noisy, you know.
I can imagine. Are they from here?
No, most of them are from other countries.
That's awesome. So, you get to talk to people around the world?
Yes. That's my favorite part.
Your total is $32.50.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Sure. Just tap it right here.
Done. Do you need my ID or anything?
Nope, it went through. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. And here's your bag.
Thank you. By the way, do you have any discounts for new customers?
We do. If you download our store app, you'll get 10% off next time.
That's good to know. I'll do that.
Great. You'll also get points every time you shop.
Even better. I'll be back soon, then.
I'll be here. Have a nice day.
You too, Alex. Bye.
Bye, Emma. Take care.